Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Here we are officially into winter, and we're talking about tech for the great outdoors. The innovative folks at Gobi Heat not only have a top-quality line of heated clothing, they now have heated folding and stadium chairs, a Zenheated blanket that runs on battery or can be plugged in with 3 different temperature settings, and now there's the Eclipse Heated Hammock. Founder and CEO Jaye Genung.
Ours has a 3-zone heating system. It also has a mosquito net over it. It also has a rain fly layer that you can zip onto it. It's got pockets, so you hang your flashlight, maybe your pocket knife or cell phone, and that can slide down or up towards you as you need it.
Throw that heated blanket on top and you're all set for anything. Find more at gobiheat.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.